Good morning and welcome to the Morning Outlook Report. I'm Rachel Jones, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now, the Australian share market is expected to start the week on a positive note. That's after an upbeat finish on Wall Street on Friday. We could see gains as the market reduced its expectations of an aggressive interest rate hike by the US Federal Reserve in July. Additionally, US spending data beat market expectations. Now, the latest ASX futures indicate that the ASX 200 would open 57 points higher, or 0.9% higher. Now, over to some important business news from this morning now, and the Suncorp Group has today signed a share sale and purchase agreement with Australia and New Zealand Banking Group to sell its banking business. Suncorp's insurance operations in both Australia and New Zealand will not form part of the transaction, and the group's head office will continue to be in Queensland. Now, ANZ will raise $3.5 billion to finance the $4.9 billion purchase of Suncorp and pledge to keep its branches open for 3 years. The bank will continue to operate under the Suncorp Bank brand, pursuant to a licensing agreement between ANZ and the group for a period of 5 years after completion. Moving on, Perenti has resolved a historical West African damages claim. The mining company is to recover $10 million as settlement for historical damages to a property in West Africa. Back in 2004, property owned by Perenti was damaged in a fire on an adjacent property. Perenti has confirmed it has entered into a settlement agreement which will result in the company receiving $10 million in cash over the coming weeks. Now, the receipt of this settlement will have a positive impact on financial year 2023 statutory earnings. Managing Director and CEO of Perenti, Mark Norwell, says he's very pleased with the efforts of the team and it's resulted in the resolution of this long-standing damage claim. And lastly, Hansen Technologies has been awarded a major upgrade contract for Energy Queensland. As part of the agreement, EQL owners of Australia's largest electricity distribution network have committed to upgrade the latest version of Hansen CIS, as well as taking new products in Hansen MDM for meter data management and Hansen MBM for network bill management. Now, the new agreement builds on existing long-term relationship between Hansen and EQL and is for the initial term of 5 years with associated revenue of around $45 million. This is one company set to make their debut on the ASX today. Saratoga Graphite has raised $8.5 million at 20 cents a share. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the Morning Outlook Report. Let's take a look over to the US now. And on Wall Street, the Dow Jones rose 2.15%. The S&P 500 was up 1.9% and the Nasdaq ended 1.8% higher. US companies' second quarter earnings have remained largely underwhelmed so far. Now, over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose 2.4%, the FTSE gained 1.7% and the CAC was up 2%, with the DAX ending 2.8% higher. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe gained 1.46%. Now, oil rose on Friday, and that's on reports that an immediate Saudi oil output boost was not on the cards. Brent crude finished at $101.16 a barrel, rising 2.1%. West Texas Intermediate crude closed 97.59 a barrel, gaining 1.9%. Gold prices fell as the US dollar's overall strength increased. US gold futures ended 0.1% lower at $1,703. Well, that's all for our Morning Outlook Report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.